Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this MIVO heated cat house. Let's see what's in the box here. Okay, easy to assemble, just zippers basically to put this thing together. We actually have a little cat that sleeps outside. Okay, a little thing there. We have like one little portion here. Looks like this is like kind of water resistant stuff. You can see the material here. It's like a little house, pretty good size there for a cat. I'm sure my cats will love this. We have a little pad here, and also our little heating pad there. This is going to work perfect because right next to where my little outdoor cat sleeps, we have a little outlet there. Okay, so it has some stakes if you need to pound it into the ground, and then this flat part that can go into the bottom, and then our roof right here. You can see it's just got a zipper right on here, so we can zip it right on there. Let's put this thing together and see how the cats like it, okay? All right, my friends, check out this little house. It's so cute. And look at Boogie. He's going right to bed on there. I just put the heater on warm, but he loves it. He's just sleeping in there. Hi, Boogie. How you doing, buddy? You like it in there? He likes little caves and stuff. And this thing seems, the roof is all one piece, so it's waterproof, pretty much wind resistant here. Just that little entrance there. I have this on my porch here, so you can see it's got a roof over there as well. So yeah, I think he really likes it, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you were looking for a nice little house for your cats to be nice and cozy and warm in, thanks for watching this video. Here's Boogie. He loves his little house here too. Likes to just sit out, poke his head out, and watch the world go by. Right, Boogie? He's so happy. Go, kitty.